Hey guys, Noah here from McLarty Subaru, bringing you another how-to video. Today we'll be using this beautiful crystal white pearl Onyx Ascent. With Subaru's innovative eyesight technology, one of the many safety features that you can take advantage of is our pre-collision braking system. Now, let's demonstrate. At some automotive industries, they use that familiar slogan, "We stand behind our vehicles." Here at Subaru, sometimes we stand in front of them. And don't worry, this system can be manually activated and deactivated with the press of a button. Let me show you how. From the home screen, let's look towards the bottom left portion of our screen. You'll see the small car icon. Let's tap on that. After that, let's focus towards the top center of our screen to the words Driving Assistance. Once you selected Driving Assistance, then tap on the pre-collision braking icon. Then you'll have the option to turn the pre-collision braking on or off. Once you select either setting, it's going to give you the option and verify that you want to choose the selection. As long as you want that selection, press OK. Hey guys, and it really is that easy. This has been another McLarty Subaru exclusive how-to video with me, Noah DiBease. For any future content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, at McLarty Subaru, we're more than a car company.